How to turn off HDR effect on REDnote app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off HDR effect on the REDnote app. It's super easy, so without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the REDnote app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. And after that, simply tap on the settings. And once you are in the settings, simply tap on the general settings. And in this section, you can see the option labeled HDR effect. You can simply tap on the toggle option to simply turn it off. And that's it. You have successfully disabled the HDR effect in just few steps. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.